Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. It is indeed inspiring and encouraging to be part of this program of Swatantra Veer Savarkar Rashtriya Smarak, which engages not only in social service, education, and sports, but also honors the martyrdom of brave sons of India and celebrates them, remembers them. On behalf of the Bihar Regiment, I thank the Smarak for honoring the supreme sacrifice of Colonel Santosh Babu of 16th Battalion, the Bihar Regiment, and felicitating Mrs. Santoshi, who will be with us. A word about the Bihar Regiment. The earliest formal raising of an all Bihar regiment can be credited to the British when Robert Clive came to Patna and raised 3rd Sepoy Battalion of the Bengal Native Infantry in April 1758. Subsequently, 18 all Bihar battalions were raised between 1764 and 1825. Ironically, the British consolidated themselves in East India with the help of the Bihar soldiers, these battalions. And it is also ironical that the first salvo of the struggle for independence was fired by Mangal Pandey, who was of the 34th Battalion and All Bihar Battalion of the Bengal Native Infantry. Subsequently, all the battalions mutinied. In fact, the rebellion was such that the British were forced to disband all these battalions and they started raising new ones. This time there was no recruitment from Bihar and they dubbed the Bihar soldier as non-martial in total ingratitude to what they did for them when they consolidated years back. That notwithstanding, 90 years later, when the British were against the wall in Second World War, they raised infantry battalions again, and this time 1st Bihar was raised at Danapur in 1941. Soon after raising, it was inducted into the Burma campaign, where they earned the battle honor of Haka and Gango, 2 battle honors, in 1944. Subsequently, we have had raisings in 1942, 50s, 60s and 70s, and now we are 20 infantry battalions, 4 RR battalions, that is Rashtriya Rifle battalions, and 2 Territorial Army battalions. The regiment have troops from the Bihar, Madhya Pradesh and Orissa. When I say Bihar, it includes Jharkhand. The tribals of Jharkhand and Madhya Pradesh, they form 50% of our regiment. We have 2 battle honors, as I said, Haka and Gango, and we have theatre honor of Akhoda in 1971, that is Bangladesh War. I must say here that we do not trace our history to the 18 battalions of the Bengal Native Infantry. We have laid those battle honors to rest and we start our history from 1941. We have got gallantry awards post-independence, Ashok Chakra 3. To those who do not know, these are equivalent to the Paramveer Chakra. Mahavir Chakra 3, Kirti Chakra 12, Veer Chakra 17 and Shaurya Chakra 46. Gentlemen, we have participated in all the wars and battles which have taken place since independence, right from 1948 till the Galwan Valley. which includes even liberation of Hyderabad and Goa. In 1971 war, 6 Bihar was the first battalion which walked into Dhaka. 10 Bihar was awarded the Theatre Honor of Akhoda. 8 and 7 Bihar also earned 1 Veer Chakra in their battles. 11 Bihar went with the Navy and landed at Cox's Bazar. The regiment has been actively involved in the counterinsurgency operations in Northeast and in the anti-terrorist operations of Punjab and J&K. It did commendably well in the Sri Lanka operations. 5 Bihar was the first battalion to be inducted into Siachen Glacier, where their leader got the Kirti Chakra. In J&K, Operation Birsa was launched by 12 Bihar in Gulmarg sector, and they got 1 Mahavir Chakra, 1 Veer Chakra, and 3 Sena medals. In fact, I am speaking to you from Greater Noida, Gurjinder Vihar, and Major Gurjinder was one who got the Mahavir Chakra in this operation. We have sent 4 battalions to United Nations missions in Congo and 1 battalion to Somalia. The 5th battalion is going to Congo in January next year. A word about sports before I end about the regiment. In sports, hockey, wrestling, aquatics, athletics, and archery are our strong points. We have Arjuna awardee Havaldar Shivnath Singh in cross country. We have got the Dhyan Chand awardee Subedar Major Dung Dung in hockey. Manohar Topno, Naib Subedar Manohar Topno has represented in the Olympics and has captained the Indian team. Havaldar Justin Kerketa, Havaldar Topno have been in the World Cup hockey. Havaldar Gursharan Basera is an archer who has participated in South Asian Games. This in brief was about the regiment. And now Colonel Santosh Babu, MVC. Born on 13 February 1983, he attained martyrdom on 15 June 20 at the age of 37 years and 16 years of service. Colonel Babu did his schooling from Sainik School, Orkonda, passed out of NDA, Khadakwasla, and was commissioned in 16 Bihar on 10th December 2004. He had an illustrious career. He was an instructor in the National Defence Academy, Khadakwasla. He was an operations officer in the brigade, which is a very prestigious appointment. He was a graduate from the Defence Services Staff College in Wellington, and he did his senior command. In fact, he had a sterling profile with a tremendous promise, but God has had more in store for him. He attained moksha through martyrdom. Colonel Santosh Babu was tasked to establish an observation post in face of the enemy. The Chinese resisted, and despite the overwhelming strength and their violent and aggressive behavior, Colonel Babu stood his ground, resisted, and finally fought tooth and nail till he breathed his last. Seeing him, others were also inspired, and we gave Chinese a humiliating defeat after they got one in Nathula incidents in 1967. Ladies and gentlemen, Colonel Santosh Babu was made that way. Even as a major in J&K, He did a brilliant operation in Tangdhar and was awarded Chief of Army Staff citation for gallantry. I remember him as a quiet, smiling, thorough gentleman, full of confidence, but in all humility. He spoke rarely, but he spoke a lot of sense. My salute to Mrs. Santosh Babu, to the daughter Abhija and son Anirudh. My special salute to the parents of Colonel Babu. The whole family has endured this loss of Colonel Babu as his duty towards the nation and are proud of it. And so are we of the Bihar Regiment. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Jai Hind.